Hello, this is Kenny Moore from taggedpdf.com, continuing a series of short tutorials intended to help optimize PDF documents for assistive technology and mobile device users by meeting the new PDF accessibility requirements of the 508 refresh. In this video, we will explore another error encountered when using the excellent free PDF accessibility checker Pack 2. And the error is this one, object not tagged. The category of this error is basic requirements, content, tagged content and artifacts. The failure condition in the Matterhorn protocol reads, content is neither marked as artifact nor tagged as real content. So this video will present this suggestion for resolving this error using Adobe Acrobat Pro, and the demo will use this example PDF, which if you would like, you're free to download and use as practice for solving this error. In Pack 2, I have the example PDF loaded, so I can click Start. And you can see I get the angry red X. This PDF contains errors only partially accessible. So I'll click the Report button, and I can drill down to the errors. And it looks like a bunch of them. There's 19, but if I click on there, it's just the one line character or line element on page 1. And the rest of these, it's marking each couple of characters as an error, but it's just one line of text on page 2. In Adobe Acrobat, I'm going to scroll down and find the first element that gave us the error, and that's this line right here towards the bottom of page 1. I'm going to click the touch-up reading order tool. I don't really care for the dialog that it brings with it, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to select the line, and this line is just a purely decorative visual element. It provides no meaning, so it should be marked as an artifact. So with it selected, using the touch-up reading order tool, I'll right-click and tag as background. That will mark it as an artifact. And then I'll move on to page 2. And it was this line that was giving me trouble. So that's strange because that should be a part of this paragraph. I'm going to go ahead and open the tags pane. And with part of that line selected, click the little drop down arrow by the options, find tag from selection. So this is the paragraph, and somehow when that paragraph got marked, it left out the second part of it. So I'm going to select the whole thing, right click, and tag as text. That should mark it as a paragraph. Let me check to make sure. So that paragraph now includes both lines, so this is good. And that should do it. As always, I'm going to save as a new file name, just to make sure I have a way to backtrack in case I messed something up really bad, which sometimes happens with Acrobat Pro. Back in Pack 2, I can load the remediated PDF and click Start. And I get the wonderful green check mark. This PDF is technically accessible. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. This is Kenny Moore. Please feel free to contact me using the Contact Kenny page at taggedpdf.com. Accessibility is the right thing to do.